you can time travel with just 2 letters?
Wait, what? Time travel? Luna, are you crazy?
No, I mean it. Literally 2 letters.
I mean, is it a movie? What 2 letters?
E and D. The letters E and D.
E and D. Like Ed? My friend Ed?
No, not a person. The letters at the end of a word.
Oh, you mean English grammar. Wow.
Yes. Welcome to English Pod Center, everyone.
Yeah, welcome. I thought we were making a sci-fi podcast today.
Not today, Lucas. Today is about the past.
The past, like yesterday?
Exactly. Yesterday, last week, last year.
Okay, because I have a big problem with this.
Tell me, what is the problem?
I always say, I go to the store yesterday.
Right, I go yesterday.
And people look at me like I am an alien.
Well, yeah, because the word go is for right now.
But I said yesterday. The time word is right there.
I know. But in English, the action word,
Yeah?
it has to match the time word. They are best friends.
Wait, so if I say yesterday, the action word needs to change?
Yes, it changes shape, like a Transformer toy.
Oh, I love Transformers.
Right? So let's look at easy words first.
Okay, easy words. No hard words today, please.
No hard words, promise. Let's take the word play.
Play. I play video games.
Good, that is today. Now, time travel to yesterday.
I play yesterday?
Ah, remember the 2 magic letters.
Oh, E and D. Wait, where do I put them?
At the end, always at the end of the action word.
So I play, played?
Yes, you played.
Oh, wow. I played video games yesterday.
Exactly. See? You just time traveled.
That is so easy. It is just like a button you push.
Yes, the ED button. Push it and zoom. You are in the past. Zoom. Okay, give me another one. Let's see. Jump. Jump like a kangaroo. Yes, like a kangaroo. So today I jump. Yesterday I jumped. Jumped. Perfect. Yesterday I jumped on the bed. Did you really jump on the bed yesterday, Luna? Maybe. I mean, yes. You are an adult. Hey, it is good exercise.
Okay. So I just put ED on every word?
Well,
Wait, why did you say well?
because English is crazy.
No, Luna, you promised it was easy.
It is, mostly. The ED button works for a lot of words.
Like 100% of words?
No, more like regular words.
Regular words. So there are irregular words?
Yeah, irregular. They break the rules.
Wait, break the rules? Like criminals?
Kind of. They are the bad boys of English.
Oh no, I don't like bad boys. I like nice, easy words.
I know, Lucas, I know. But we use them every day.
Every day?
Literally every day. Let me give you one. The word go.
Go, like I go to the store.
Yes, exactly. Now make it past tense.
Oh, I know this. The ED button. Go Ed. I go Ed to the store.
No,
Wait, what? Not good?
not good. It is went.
Went?
Yeah, went. W-E-N-T.
Where's the G? Where's the O?
They are gone. It's a completely new word.
That is crazy, Luna.
I told you, they are rule breakers. Like a dog.
A dog?
Yeah, imagine you have a good dog. You say sit, he sits.
Okay, good dog.
That is a regular word, the ED words. Jump, jumped. Walk, walked.
Right, they listen to the rules.
But the irregular words, they are bad dogs. You say sit, they run away.
They run away and change their name to went.
Exactly. Go becomes went.
Oh, okay. So I went to the park, not I goed.
Perfect. I went to the park.
Are there like a lot of these bad dogs?
Well, yes.
Luna, how many?
A lot. But you only need the common ones.
Okay, give me another bad dog.
Okay, eat. E-A-T.
Eat, like I eat pizza.
Yes. Now, yesterday.
Yesterday I eat it pizza? No, wait, it's a bad dog.
Right. It's a rebel.
So I eated is wrong?
Very wrong. It is ate. A-T-E.
8? Like the number 8?
It sounds exactly like the number 8, but spelled A-T-E.
Oh man, English is so weird.
It is. So, say the whole sentence.
Okay, yesterday I ate pizza.
Perfect, Lucas.
Wow, this is like a game.
It is a game. You just have to remember the new words.
Okay, hit me again. Another word.
Let's do see. S-E-E. I see a bird.
I see a bird. Okay, so yesterday I seed a bird.
No.
I knew it. Bad dog.
Yes, bad dog. It is saw. S-A-W.
Saw? Like the tool for cutting wood?
Yes, exactly the same word.
Okay. Yesterday I saw a bird.
You got it. You are doing great.
I mean, it is hard, but kind of fun.
It is fun, but wait, there is more.
Oh no, more bad dogs?
Yes, lots of them. Let's try a very big one.
Big bad dog. Okay, hit me. Wait, hit?
Hit is actually hit. Yesterday, I hit the ball.
Wait, what? It doesn't change?
Nope, hit is just hit.
That is so lazy. I love it.
Right? But let's look at go. G-O.
Go. Like I go to the store.
Exactly. What did you do yesterday, Lucas?
I go to the store?
Try again.
I go? No, that's today.
Mm-hmm.
I went? Is it went?
Yes. Wow, you knew that one.
I just guessed. Went sounds completely different.
It really does. Go and went, they look like strangers.
Strangers, yes, they are not friends at all.
No, they are not. Okay, what about eat?
Eat. I eat pizza.
Good. Yesterday, I
Eat it? No, wait.
think about the number 8.
8? Like 1, 2, 3, 8?
Yes. Yesterday, I
ate pizza?
yes, but we spell it A-T-E. 8.
Wow, English is so weird, Luna.
It is very weird.
So I went to the store and I ate pizza.
Perfect. You sound like a native speaker, Lucas.
Stop it. But I like the lazy ones more.
Like hit?
Yeah. Are there more lazy verbs?
Yes. Put. P-U-T.
I put the book on the table.
Yes. And yesterday?
I put the book?
Exactly. Just put.
Oh, man, I wish all verbs were lazy.
Me too. Teaching would be so easy.
True. So wait, how do I remember all this?
Good question. You just have to practice.
Like a sport?
Yes, exactly like a sport.
If I play soccer, I have to kick the ball every day.
Right. If you stop, you forget how to kick.
So I need to use these words every day.
Every single day, even just in your head.
Okay, let's do a quick test for the listeners.
Oh, I love that idea.
Listeners, are you ready?
Tell us what you did yesterday.
Yeah, did you play a game?
Or did you eat pizza?
Or maybe you saw a bird, like me?
Yes, think of 3 things you did yesterday.
And say them out loud. I mean it. Literally, like talk to your phone right now.
Exactly. Say, I listened to a podcast.
Oh, nice one. Listened with an ED at the end.
Yep. Or if it's irregular, you can say, I went to the store.
Wait, Luna, what if they say, I eated pizza?
Ah, good point, Lucas. That's a very common mistake.
Right? Because like you want to put ED on everything.
It makes sense. Your brain is like, oh, ED means yesterday.
Yeah, exactly. ED's the magic yesterday button.
The magic yesterday button. I love that. But eat is special.
It's irregular. It breaks the rules.
So we say ate. I ate pizza.
ATE? Wait, like the number 8?
Yes, it sounds exactly the same. 8 and 8.
Oh, wow. I ate 8 pizzas.
Please don't do that. You will get very sick.
Too late. I already did it.
You ate 8 pizzas yesterday?
No, just kidding. I only ate 1.
Okay, good.
So, listeners, if you make a mistake, is it bad?
Not at all. Mistakes are how you learn.
Really? Because I hate being wrong.
Everyone does. But when you say eated and someone says ate, your brain remembers.
Oh, I get it. The mistake is like a sticky note for my brain.
Perfect analogy, Lucas. A sticky note.
So talk, make mistakes.
Talk loud. Talk to your dog.
Wait, my dog doesn't speak English.
It doesn't matter. Tell your dog, I walked in the park.
He loves that word, walked.
See, he will understand the past tense.
Okay, so let's review real quick.
Let's do it.
Simple past is for things that are finished.
Done. Over. Yesterday, last week, 10 years ago.
Regular verbs get an ed at the end.
Like played, worked, listened.
And irregular verbs are just crazy.
They are rebels. You just have to memorize them.
Go becomes went. See becomes saw.
Eat becomes ate. You got it.
And if you want to ask a question,
Use did. Did you eat? Did you play?
oh, and the verb goes back to normal.
Exactly. Did you play? Not did you played.
Boom. Simple past tense mastered.
Well, it takes practice.
Yeah, but they know the rules now.
They definitely do. You guys are doing great.
So, here is your homework, listeners.
Oh, homework. I like it.
Go to the comments right now.
Yes, and write one sentence in the simple past.
Just one. Tell us what you did today or yesterday.
We will read them all, I promise.
And hey, if you learned something new today,
Please hit that subscribe button.
yeah, follow us here at English Pod Center.
See you guys next time. Bye.